Good day all. I am Dr. T. Arunmuri, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. I welcome you all for this presentation on research design. It is based on the accepted curriculum of all universities on this subject. Research design is a set of methods and procedures used in collecting and analyzing measures in the variables specified in the problem research. A research design is a framework or a blueprint that has been created to find answers to research questions. David Nachimas defines research design that it provides a systematic plan of procedure for the researcher to follow. Essentials of a good research design: that it is a plan that specifies the objectives of the study and the hypothesis to be tested. It is an outline that specifies the sources and types of information relevant to the research questions. It is a blueprint specifying the methods to be adopted for gathering and analyzing the data. It is a scheme where the obtained information can be generalized to a large population or to a different situation. Nature of research design goes that it is indispensable for a research project. Series of a guidepost to keep one going in the right direction. It is a tentative plan which undergoes modification as circumstances demand. For example, the sampling method may be modified from random sampling with probability proportional size to simple random sampling. It has to be kept within the manageable limits. It represents a compromise dictated by many practical considerations. Preparation of the research design. Planning involves deciding things in advance. Accordingly, the preparation of a research plan involves a careful consideration of the following questions and making appropriate decisions on them. Many questions can be asked, but few examples are: what the study is about, why is the study made, what is its scope, what are the objects of the study, when or in what place the study will be conducted, what kinds of data are needed, what are the major concepts to be defined operationally, what are the sources of data. Such questions should be considered with reference to the researcher's interest, competence, time, and other resources and the requirements of sponsoring agency. The contents of a research plan is that: introduction, statement of the problem, review of previous studies, scope of the study, objective of the study, conceptual model, hypothesis, operational definition of concepts, the significance of the study, geographical area to be covered, the reference period, methodology to be used, sampling plan, tools for gathering data, plan of analysis, chapter scheme, time budget, and financial budget. The types of research design. Type of research problem an organization is facing will determine the research design. The design phase of a study will decide which tools to use and how they are used. An impactful research design usually creates a minimum bias in data and increases the trust in the accuracy of collected data. A design that produces the least margin of error in experimental research is generally considered the desired outcome. A researcher must have a clear understanding of the various types of research design to select which model to implement for a study. Like research itself, the design of the study can be classified into qualitative and quantitative. The qualitative research design determines relationships between collected data and observations based on mathematical calculations. Theories related to a naturally existing phenomenon can be proved or disproved using statistical methods. Researchers rely on qualitative research design methods that conclude why a particular theory exists along with what respondents have to say about it. The quantitative research design is for cases where statistical conclusions to collect actionable insights are essential. Numbers provide a better perspective to make critical business decisions. Quantitative research design methods are necessary for the growth of any organization. Insights drawn from hard numerical data and analysis prove to be highly effective when making decisions related to the future of the business. The types of research design are of 5 categories. Descriptive research design. In a descriptive design, a researcher is solely interested in describing the situation or case under their research study. It is theory-based design method which is created by gathering, analyzing and presenting collected data. This allows a researcher to provide insights into the why and how of research. Descriptive design helps others better understand the need for the research. If the problem statement is not clear, you can conduct exploratory research. Experimental research design. This establishes a relationship between cause and effect of a situation. It is a causal design where one observes the impact caused by the independent variable and the dependent variable. The independent variables are manipulated to monitor the change it has on the dependent variable. It is often used in social sciences to observe human behavior by analyzing two groups. Researchers can have participants change their actions and study how the people around them react to gain a better understanding of social psychology. Correlational research design. It is a non-experimental research design technique that helps researchers establish a relationship between two closely connected variables. This type of research requires two different groups. There is no assumption while evaluating a relationship between two different variables, and statistical analysis techniques calculate the relationship between them. A correlational coefficient determines the correlation between two variables whose value ranges between -1 and +1. It indicates a positive relationship between the variables, and -1 means a negative relationship between two variables. Diagnostic research design. The researcher is looking to evaluate the underlying cause of a specific topic or phenomenon. This method helps one learn more about the factors that create troublesome situations. Explanatory research design uses a researcher's ideas and thoughts on a subject to further explore their theories. The research explains unexplored aspects of a subject and details about what, how, and why of research questions. Thank you. We will meet in the next presentation.